Good morning, learners! Welcome to Grade 8 Carpentry Exploratory Course. Module number 12, Classification of Hand Tools. Objectives: check condition of tools and equipment, classify tools and equipment, maintain condition of tools and equipment. Let's have a review. Classify whether the following tools is a measuring or marking lining tool. Pull-push rule. Your answer? Measuring tool. Very good. Caliper. Your answer? Another measuring tool. Compass. Your answer? Marking lining tool. Chalk line. Your answer? Marking lining tool. Tri-square. Your answer? Measuring tool. Identify tool that is being described in each item. It is a wood or metal tool consisting of a beam, head, and a point used to mark a line parallel to the grain of the wood. Your answer? Yes, marking gauge. It is used to lay out or mark cutting lines. Your answer? Pencil. It is a flexible tape that slides into a material case and it is used to measure irregular and regular shapes. Your answer? Pull-push rule. It is a 12-inch or 1-foot rule and it's used to take and make a simple measurements. Your answer? Foot rule. It is used to scribe arcs and circle in a metal or wood. Your answer? Compass. Lesson or topic for this day is maintain tools and equipment. Classification of hand tools. C. Testing tools. Tri-square. Tool used in squaring, measuring, and testing the squareness of a wood. Steel square. Framing square used to mark out and work for squaring and checking of angles and is used in construction, roof framing, and large furniture. Spirit level. Tool used for testing vertical and horizontal surfaces. Plumb bob. Tool used to test the vertical and horizontal surface. D. Edge cutting tools. Chisel. Tool used to trim and shape wood. Plane. Used to obtain smooth and flat surface. Edge cutting tools. Spoke shape. Small plane-like tool for irregularly shaped object. Cabinet scraper. Rectangular piece of steel with two cutting edges used for working flat and curved shapes. Tooth cutting tools. Crosscut saw. Handsaw used to cut the wood across the grain. Rip saw. Handsaw used to cut the wood along the grain. Back saw. Handsaw with metal back and plywood and joinery. Compass saw. Used to cut irregular shape either in large or small board. Tooth cutting tools. Turning saw. Used to rip cross and cut curves in lumber. Capping saw. U-shaped saw used for cutting irregular shape in a small board. Dovetail saw. Small back saw with a straight chisel type handle used to cut very fine joints. Boring tools. Auger bit, tool used to make hole in woods. Expansive bit, tool used to drill holes of various sizes in woods. Drill bit, tool used for boring holes either in metals, wood, or plastics. Holding tools. C-clamp, used for holding together pieces of lumber while working. Bench vise, used to hold any materials or tools in place. Bar clamp, used to hold large boards or frames together while assembling or gluing. Miscellaneous tools. Oil stone, used for sharpening edge cutting tools such as chisel. Files, used to smoothen metal and wood surface. Paintbrush, used to apply paint or varnish on the wood surface. Miscellaneous tools. Nail set, used to drive the head of the nails lower than the surface of wood. Saw set, used to bend the upper half of each tooth to one side or the other to form a set. Let's value. Good quality of tools can be a big investment. If you take good care of them, they will last longer and return the favor. Making sure your tools are properly stored, cleaned, and well maintained will save you time and money as well in making your projects and jobs much easier. Generalization. Carpentry tools can be classified according to their basic functions. These are testing tools, edge cutting tools, tooth cutting tools, boring tools, holding tools, and miscellaneous tools. Do exercise 1, matching type. Write the letter of the correct answer. Timer starts now. By the way, it's only 2 minutes. Answer it honestly. Last 1 minute. Twenty seconds. Time is up. Let's check your answers. Number 1, J or D. Number 2, G. Number 3, B. Number 4, I. Number 5, F. Number 6, D or J. Number 7, A. Number 8, E. Number 9, C. And number 10, H.
Goodbye, learners. Thank you for watching. See you again.
See you next meeting, learners!